Hey guys, so it's not like super late, but I do have to get up for work in 7 hours, which isn't so bad, except that I'm kind of sick. So like, my mom's gonna get mad at me if she sees that I'm awake. Can you hear me? I hope this is loud enough. Oh man, I've kind of been coming down with cold-like symptoms over the last few days. So then today after work, love my new job, by the way. I went to the walk-in clinic because it's starting to look like tonsillitis if I go but you don't need to see that. I won't do that again. And I know this because I had tonsillitis last year and it really, really, really sucked. So I figured, oh no, I better catch this while it's early and I don't let it get as painful. John, oh my goodness. Ninjas and pirates. See, I feel like even though the answer is probably ninjas, and the only information that I do know about either of them, ninjas and pirates, would be that Johnny Depp makes being a pirate look so cool. That's such a crappy answer. That's such a crappy answer.
Hi.
Ross.
Yes.
So I'm going to ask you.
Yeah?
If it were a battle between pirates and ninjas, who would win, and describe the scenario? Go, real fast.
Oh, jeez. Okay, straight up. What kind of pirates are we talking here? Like traditional, like Army Navy pirates, or like the Somalian pirates?
I don't know, man. Make it up in your head.
Okay. Traditional pirates. The only way the event would take place is if they were attacking the sea of Japan. They were going to raid an elder's temple where the ninjas train in Japan. The elder would declare this a threat to his people and would summon his ninjas to go and get rid of the pirates. They would stealthily go in the mid-evening to the pirate ship, climb aboard, and either assassinate them while they were sleeping or just declare open combat, and the pirates would pull out their wimpy-ass sabers or their flintlock pistols. The ninjas would take out the strongest one in the world, which is a katana. It's a small, short blade, but it can cut through anything, basically, with accurate precision. It doesn't even require brute force. So either the ninjas would decapitate the pirates before they could even shoot off their pistol or even block an attack, or they would lunge their katana into the mid-lower abdomen and just let them bleed out and die, or rip it out the long way and they just crumple. You would easily hands down to ninja.
Okay. Do you know what my favorite animal is? Because I don't.
What is a cat?
Why? Why would you say it's a cat?
Why do I think it's a cat?
Yeah.
Because you yourself are so much like a cat.
Explain.
Well, check it out. You prefer sleeping crumpled up in a little ball, opposed to just, like, stretching it out.
What are, like, the biggest attributes of the stereotypical cat?
You're curious as shit.
I was thinking, like, I'm really lazy, and so are cats.
That's a good one.
Alright. That's it. Thank you.
That's it?
Yep.
Okay.
I'll see you tomorrow.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
I can't even think. It's like my sinuses are just so clogged up that information can't get to my brain, not through my ears. It couldn't even climb up my nose if it wanted to. Actually, right now my voice sounds pretty normal. It sounds, if I'm speaking louder, like speaking, not quietly, almost whispering, it sounds so stupid. But I guess that just means I should stop talking. So on that note, I'm gonna go. Oh, Jordan, Lucy is adorable. I like her hair. I like that color. But I don't like that she thinks ninjas would win, because I think pirates should win. That's it. I'm sorry this video sucks. I'll try harder next week. Peace out, guys.